Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature in WhatsApp. So uh, uh, let's see what the feature is actually. So actually, I will go to one of the groups, and now there's a possibility to mark one of the links. So I'll mark this link that's called Jira. And now I can actually choose from one of these emojis. So let's choose the heart. And now you'll see in the bottom, there's a heart. Now it's just like in LinkedIn. If I click on a heart, I can now see uh, who are all of the people that marked and what type of symbol they have marked. So if I just decide to switch it, I'll just make a long click and choose, let's say, the V, and I will click to see who actually chose what. So you will see everyone, and you will see also by emoji. So you will see if there's several people, one person did a like, other did the heart, and other did something else. Additional functionalities that are supposed to come. By the way, this is for Android for the meantime. They say that the amount of people in a group will actually be increased from 256 to 512, and a single file that you can send will be increased from 100 mega to 2 giga. So these are the updates that I know until now. Let's see how it goes. If you like it, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.